Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, act like you know. It's going down, I'm your captain. It's going down, I'm your captain. It's going down, I'm your captain. It's going down, I'm your captain.
Today we visit Dominica, situated between Guadeloupe and Martinique, which is not to be confused with the Dominican Republic. Instead of a large whale watching excursion, we opted for a small 20-person Zodiac. This was not for the faint of heart. If you are anywhere close to being seasick or do not like the motion, this is not the option for you. We were fortunate enough to be able to find a mother, and along with the mother was a small calf. You spent a lot of time, probably 15-20 minutes at a shot, just bobbling around out in the open ocean. We had one little lady that ended up being seasick, but all in all, it was an awesome adventure, full of fun, some boredom, and a lot of excitement when we were able to find a whale. Enjoy the video.